What have I become? My sweetest
husband.
friend.
Toa is
Everything I love
Toa left.
goes away
He's not
in
here.
the end. Toa killed himself. No one's there.
Baimo is behind here.
Great.
Are we pushing? Are we pushing him? Yeah.
No.
He's low. He's low. Baimo. We can go B. We can go B.
Baimo done.
Yeah, let's go B. Let's go B. Let's go B. Come here. Come here.
Ah! Down! Two more! One more! Thank you, Mara.
Nice. In the end, we didn't go B.
In the end, it doesn't even matter. No one's
True.
listened to that before, bro. Everyone's young. No one's old. Oh my god.
I think I have heard of that song before. What's its name again?
I don't remember the name, but I remember the song. Numb, yes. Wait, not numb though. Because numb is I feel so numb. Like that. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. That's the difference. What if
Baimo is
I close
tower.
my eyes
Baimo is
and
tower.
it almost felt like nothing changed at all.
We
If
can
I close
fully
my
rotate. We don't have to go mid.
eyes-
Oh shit!
my!
Can we leave mid?
I died.
I don't want to be here anymore.
I don't wanna feel no more. I don't wanna cry no more.
Ah shit! We lost two of them.
I don't wanna try no more.
We go B. We go B. Go 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 go. Tree is behind. Tree is behind. Don't fight him. Don't fight him.
I will never cry today. I will never
Bro, my aim
die
sucks.
today. I will never turn away from love tomorrow.
What can I do?
You know that one meme of that guy singing like on the chair having fun, and then the other guy just mashing buttons on the floor and sweating. You hated that, bro. I was singing, having fun, and you were like pushing. Wow, you were fucking struggling to live.
We can go mid.
Deplete their win, bro.
We can go mid. Oh.
Oh!
We can go B. We can go B. We can plant.
Yo, nice. Oh! Wow! Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. So here's my number. You'll call me maybe. I will ult. I ulted and I die. Guys, rush. Guys! Guys, help him! Guys! Guys! Never mind, doesn't need help. He doesn't need help. He is the GOAT. He is the Fuchsia main. He does not need help. Even against Vaimo, he doesn't need help. Oh my god, how'd you know he was there, bro?
Fuchsia scan.
Nah, bro. You hacking, bro. Yo, this guy's hacking, bro. Yo,
what do you
report
mean?
him, report
I'm
him. This guy's
Fushia.
hacking, bro. Wall hack,
Bro, I'm
wall hack.
Fushia. I'm
Wall
Fushia.
Report
My man, I'm
this bitch,
Fushia.
bro.
I'm
Bro,
Fushia.
report this guy. Report this
Ah,
guy.
nah,
Fucking
man.
wall hack.
Nah, man, I'm
Fucking wall
Fushia.
hack.
Bro, I'm
Yo,
Fushia.
he just sabotaged the game. He just forcefully made the other players give up. He hacked their devices. Well, bro, report this guy.
Bro.
And this is crazy. So here's my number. Just call me maybe. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.